These dark days of despair, a nation bowed in fear. Our hopes feel lost, our hearts unsure, but the dawn is drawing near. The money changes temple has fallen from its height. Now we lift our gaze together from shadow into light. The only thing we have to fear is fear itself, my friend. That nameless, endless, haunting dread that stops our hearts from mending. With faith and courage we'll endure through storm and wind and fire. The only thing we have to fear is fear itself's desire. Our common task awaits us to restore, rebuild, renew. We'll treat the people's struggle as sacred work to do. The fields will bloom again, the mills will hum their song. For this great land was built to stand united, brave and strong. We call on every citizen from mountain, plain and shore to join in faith and fellowship, to dream again once more. If we dare to face tomorrow and lift our heads today, then the hand of providence will guide us on our way. The only thing we have to fear is fear itself, my friend. We'll meet the storm, we'll fight the dark and rise to hope again. With faith and courage we'll endure through trial and desire. The only thing we have to fear is fear itself and fire. This nation asks for action, and action now. Together, we shall face the task and win.